Guitar Lessons. This week's episode, the E chord.
Oh, hello there. Fancy seeing you here. It's just another day chilling out on the couch here, relaxing with little Chi-Chi. Yes. Yeah, so lately I've been getting a lot of messages from people saying things like, hey, I've been playing for, 5 or 10 years and I've never got around to learning the E chord. Could you make an E chord episode? And I was like, you know what? Why not? This is the perfect time. Let's do it. So, the E chord. A classic in its own right. People have been using it for years now in lots of music. I'm sure you'll be very familiar with it once you hear it. We'll get started right away here so we don't waste any more of your precious time. I want to show you the secrets of the E chord. Let's begin. So first thing we want to do is play the first note of the E chord, which is the lowest string here on the guitar. That's going to be an E. So that's the first note of our E chord. All right, so the next thing that we want to do here is the next note. So the second highest string, you want to have your middle finger on the second fret of the second lowest string here. So it sounds like this. And yeah, can you hear that? The tone woods? That's right. That's the tone wood speaking. All right, so the next note in the chord is going to be your third, or your third finger here, and you're going to put it on the second fret of the third lowest string, and that will sound like this. Very nice, a nice tone to that one. And then the next note here that we're going to go to is going to be the third highest string, and that is going to be your pointer finger, and it's going to be on the first fret of that. Sounds like this. All right. And then the last two notes are just open. This is the second highest string, just open. And then the highest string, open as well. All right. Now let's put all those notes together and do the E chord here. So I like to add a few little frills to the note, to the chord sometimes to make it stand out a little bit. So you can do like hammer-ons. That's the middle finger. I'm just lifting it and bringing it down. Another frill I like to do is just lifting the pointer finger. So. That's pretty cool. Now let's put these notes, let's put this chord together with some other chords that we've learned already. So we've learned the G, we've learned the C, We've learned the A. We learned the D. So let's try to come up with something here. So that's just E, B major, which I haven't taught you guys yet, and A. It sounds great together. But, you know what? Let's use a chord that we do know. So let's do G. Doesn't sound good. No. That's the E chord right there. Beautiful, simple, and always fun to play. All right. Well, thank you for joining me on another episode here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a good time, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good one.